Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 1 which is based on calculus. So the question is expand e to the power a into x cos by up to second degree terms using Maclaurin series expansion of two variables. So we expand e to the power x into cos by up to second degree terms. So first we write Maclaurin series for both the terms. So step 1 is Maclaurin series formula for both the variables. So first we write e to the power ax. So we can write it as e to the power ax. This is for first one, which is equals to 1 plus ax plus a square x square by 2 factorial plus aq x cube by 3 factorial plus up to n terms like that. For cos by, so cos by equals to 1 minus b square by 2 factorial plus up to n terms. So these formula will be given in the formula book which will be provided during examination. So our second step is write up to the secondary terms because the question is asked about the secondary terms. So step 2 is write up to second degree terms. It means for e to the power ax, so e to the power ax nearly equals to 1 plus ax plus a square x square by 2 factorial like that. For cos b into y, so cos b into y which is nearly equal to 1 minus b square by 2 factorial. So our step third is multiply both the expansion for cos b into y and e into e to the power x. In step 3, multiply both expansion which is e to the power a into x and cos into b into y which is 1 plus ax plus a square x square by 2 factorial and 1 minus b square by 2 factorial. So when you multiply it, it become 1 plus ax plus a square x square by 2 factorial. This is for 1 minus this is b square by 2 factorial minus when you multiply a into x by this it become ax b square by 2 factorial minus a square x square b square by 4 factorial, 4, because 2 factorial is 2 and 2 into 2 is 4. So here I am again rewriting the equation which is e to the power ax cos into by which is equals to 1 plus ax plus a square x square by 2 minus b square by 2 minus b square by ax divided by 2 minus b square y square a square x square divided by 4. So in the question it is asking about the second degree. So we can clearly see that this is y to the power 2 and a to the x to the power 1. So this is third degree, that's why we can ignore it like that. For here y to the power 2 and x to the power 2 is here, so this is 4 degree term, so we ignore there. Now what is the remaining? This is 1 plus ax plus a square x square by 2 factorial 2 minus b square y square by 2. So e to the power ax cos by which is equals to 1 plus ax plus a square x square by 2 minus b square y square by 2. So this is our final expansion up to second degree. If any x and y terms are both at the same time, it means it is not the second degree because this is y to the power 2 and this is x to the power 1. So 2 plus 1 is degree 3, but in the question it is asking about the second degree. That's why we are ignoring this one and this one also. So like this you have to solve in the examination to get the full marks. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.